That's not cool. Bright red demon imports. Yes. The artifact. A demon water. I need the demon water. At some spooky fountain? How did I get there? Odd, 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 odd. Okay. Back through the outhouse. And let's look for some way or another to get into the demon mines. Wow. There's a lot of enemies again. A lot of demons. Ah, I just cleared them out and they're all back again. I don't want to fight you. Get away from me. No. No. I'm not dealing with you. Oh, I'm gonna have to deal with you. This gonna help? Yes, it helps. Uh-oh. Ah, crap. Healing. Why? Get away from me. I'm just trying to get through here. Oops, that was a waste. And... come on, come on. Do it faster. Do it now. Wow, that's a lot of them. Woohoo! Stop it. Oh, I can use it even if I haven't full justice. I should remember that. Actually, I'm probably gonna forget it like in 5 seconds. I keep getting hurt by these little imps. Somehow I can't shake the feeling that blocking is a lot more important in this game than I think it is, or that I think it's important, but I'm not using it as much as I should, I guess. So, how do I get over here? Can I use anything? Like, I mean, I don't know. Use the sword? Use the sword? No, no. Something. Hurting it. Man. DeathSpank, you got any ideas? How are we gonna cross that? How are we gonna cross that? Exactly. Is there any way? Any way at all? Yes, I know, I don't have the key to open this. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. Run away, DeathSpank. Run for your life. I don't know. I am absolutely lost. How do I get to the demon's mines? Maybe I'll talk to him again. The farmer Bubbleworth. He could probably tell me where to get in? No? Maybe? I hope he does. Or I'm screwed. What can I do in this well?
Hey, don't muck with that. It takes forever to wind the bucket back up, especially when the Greams dump their anvils in there.
Greeting.
Oh, I see.
Goodbye.
Oh, no, you...
I think you probably need to drop an anvil in there. Question is, how do I...
Oh, no, not the anvil again.
Yes. Give me some of your cherry pie... cherries, I mean. More cherries. I need more cherries. No. Well, time to drop another anvil. Come on, drop it. You know you want it. Why can't I drop it again? Ah.
Oh no, not the anvil again.
Yes, the anvil again. I'm finally making some progress. More red cherries. Yes. Wait, I only have 6. Damn it, I need more. Don't I need more? Oh. Wow, I only needed 1. Okay. I guess that's that then. Back to Miss Havenstance. Miss Havenstance. To the evil witch Havenstance. And giving her the bright red demon imp horns.
Greetings, demon witch. Here are the ingredients you required. The bright red horns of the demon imp. That should be everything you needed.
It is. Now, take this crystal and insert 9 demonic rubies to charge it. After it is charged, use it on the sealed door deep in the demon mines.
And then I get the artifact. Thank you, Demon Witch Havenstance, but I must go. Justice calls.
Okay, I've got the magic crystal. And I've leveled up. Vindicator over the vicious. Do I want to move even faster or block longer? I'm never... maybe I should. I should block a lot more. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna move faster because that's always useful. Unless, I mean, it doesn't actually get me anywhere to have more than 1 card. I know. It's gonna get me somewhere. It is. I know it is. I've always gotten somewhere. Necklace of reuse. This tiny necklace crafted still tinier hands. So it must have seemed huge. And it's not as good as the one I have. And the helmet of recycling. Now I get the helmet of recycling. Well, now I don't need it anymore. In fact, I don't need a whole lot of stuff I have in here. So I'm just gonna grind away. Chest recycling, grind it. Pointy gloves, grind it. Helmet of the veteran, grind it. Gloves, grind it. Recycling gloves, grind it. Scaled chest piece, grind it. Terrible intent, grind it. Terrible intent, grind it. Boots of the veteran, grind it. Terrible intent, grind it. Gonna hold on to the rest for now. And I have here a magic crystal. I still need to insert 9 rubies of the magic crystal to charge it. How do I get those 9 magical rubies? Magical crystals. Doesn't tell me, but I guess I just have to kill some demons. And why am I running down here? It's gonna take me forever. I'm gonna, of course, take the outhouse. One moment. Bam! Oh, was that the wrong one? Probably was. No, it wasn't. It was the right one. Okay. So I'm gonna have to get through here. You know what? I'm gonna change this setup. And because I don't need you anymore, I can put you in here. And how about using it? Bzzzt. Yes. I'm gonna try using this new power F. Ah, oh, that's not good. Yes, I'm resisting a little bit. Could I actually be making progress? Well, we'll see. Ooh, yes. I'm awesome, I'm awesome. I'm also still almost dead, but I'm awesome. Oh shit. Well, I'm almost dead. Which is not news to me or to you if you've been watching. Which you probably haven't, but still. Gotta say it. I'm still wondering how to charge this thing. I thought I just... Oh! It opened! Well, would you look at that? I didn't think it would be just open. So I guess the charging part comes up after this? Or during this? At least I can make progress. Into the demon mines I venture. Hey, an outhouse. A demon trail outhouse. It's probably really, really rank in there. You know, an outhouse in the middle of demon land. Wow, there's a lot of demon overseers here. Woohoo! I think I'm... Whoa! Yes, I knew this was gonna happen. Oh. I'm still alive. For now. And I think I'm gonna use one of those orbs. Because I've got them. And why not use them when you have them? Right? Oh! That... What? Well... That must have been extremely brief. Did I do something wrong? It said invulnerability, but it didn't last very long, did it? Well, better luck next time. I'm taking the ice bolts. See what damage I can do with those. I mean, I'm guessing, you know, fire, ice, fire, ice. It's gotta be good, right? Freezing those mother truckers right in. Oh. Well. Or I could just, you know, waste them. Wow. That's a lot of them. Hello? Trying them. Nope. That doesn't look good. Wow. I'm concentrating really hard here. Uh-oh. Whew. I'm gonna take you on. Just you watch. While I'm clobbering away at your health. Wow, that was hard. I mean, it probably was really easy for you guys, but man, oh man, that looks scary. And I have to go in there. Well, I'm certainly gonna heal up before I'm gonna go in there. Maybe I have a key to open this chest. Maybe, you know? Nope. Of course I don't. Because... why would I have a chest?
I don't have a key.
A key to this chest. I was just hoping, you know? Wow, those sounds are really scary. I don't want to go in. Okay, let's do this.